So if you want to start making Afrobeat instrumental, this tutorial is for you. Please, in case you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new content. Today I want to share with you guys 5 Afrobeat drum pattern you must know if you want to start making Afrobeat instrumentals. For the first one, my tempo is 100 BPM and I already have my drums loaded already. They are my kick and my percussions, everything. So let's make I'll start with a very popular one, but very complicated as well. So let's copy and paste it at the front. I'm sorry. Let's copy it again and let's paste it here. When making your Afrobeat, try to swing your beat. Although not every beat here, but it's good you swing your beat and then pan your percussions as well. So you can hear how it's sounding. Now let's add the Afrobeat shakers and see how it's going to sound together with the shakers. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up for more tutorials. Now you can hear it sounding very nice and very dope. So all you got to do is add your chord, add your bass and stuff like that, and you are good to go. So this is the first pattern. Now let's talk about the second pattern you should know. For this second pattern, I'll be using a tempo of 105 BPM and I already have my drums and everything loaded as well. So let's do something. So like I told you earlier, pan your percussions to make it sound good, swing your instrumental. So now let's add our Afrobeat shakers and see how it will sound together with the shakers. All you got to do is add your keyboards, your bass and everything and you're good to go. So let's go to the third drum pattern you should know. For this one, our tempo is 100 BPM and I also have my drums loaded already. So let's do something again. So now let's hear how it will sound together with the Afrobeat shaker loops. Don't forget to pan your percussions. It actually make your beat sounds more better. So we're through with the third one. You just got to add your bass, your chords, your pad and stuff like that to gives you the kind of feelings you want. So now the fourth Afrobeat drum pattern you should know if you want to start making Afrobeat. Our tempo is 105 BPMs and I already have my drums loaded as well. This is what I called humanizing. So I'm just humanizing the sound so they don't sound the same. So this is the fourth one, sounding very dope and nice as well. You just got to add your keyboards, your guitars, your bass and stuff like that. So let's go to the last Afrobeat drum pattern you should know. And for this last drum pattern, I'll be using a tempo of 102 BPM and I also have my drum samples loaded already. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. See you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.